Hello everybody, welcome to OPPO A6 Pro. Today I'm going to show you how to hide apps on OPPO A6 Pro. So first up, open up your settings and then go down here to security and privacy and scroll all the way down here to hide apps. Get started, and you'll need to set up a password for security and additional security. For example, set a security question. Then click Get Started again. And here choose Access via home screen, Customize, Save, and then click Add Apps. And here you can just add the apps you want to hide. For example, something like this. And then open up this app right here if you want to see the hidden apps. It will ask you for a password. Enter the password and you'll have your hidden apps right here. And for more privacy or security, you can just customize your home screen icon. So for example, you can set something like this and name it browser, for example, and no one will ever think that this is a hidden apps. And when you click on it, you enter a password and you have a hidden apps right here. So basically that's it. That's how you hide apps on your OPPO A6 Pro. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.